Hello everyone, myself Abdullah. I am from Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing BTech third year at Sri Dadaji Institute of Technology and Science from Electronics and Communication stream. I have completed microwave oven internship with Emertxe. So now I am here to give presentation in microwave oven using Picsimlab under the guidance of Emerging Information and Technology Private Limited. This internship is conducted into four parts, like four sessions. First one is programming session, second one is microcontroller, and third is project implementation, and fourth and last is DISA workshop. Contents: introduction, project overview, technical details, simulation parts, soft skills preparation, and conclusion. Introduction: what is microwave oven and how it is works? A microwave oven is an electrical device that heats and cooks food by exposing it to electromagnetic radiation in the microwave frequency range. A microwave oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a wide range of uses. This includes polar molecules in the food or rotate produce thermal energy in a process known as a dielectric heating. Microwave oven heat food quickly and efficiently because excitation is fairly uniform in the outer 25 to 38 of a homogeneous high water content food item. There are four types of cooking modes like micro mode, grill mode, conventional mode, and start mode. What is Picsimlab? Before implementing the microwave oven, we need a platform like a software. So we use a Picsimlab. In the program, we Picsimlab is a free and open source software package for simulating PIC microcontroller and electronic circuit. It is developed by Luis Carlos Gamboa. It is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Picsimlab can be used to simulate a wide variety of PIC microcontroller, including the PIC16F877A and many more. Can also be used to simulate a variety of electronic components such as a resistor, capacitor, and transistor. Picsimlab is a very valuable tool for learning about PIC microcontroller and electronic circuit. It can also use to develop and test a new electronic project. In the Picsimlab software, we choose a Xcode compiler to compile C source code. The purpose of the internship project to design a microwave oven using PIC16F877 a microcontroller using Picsimlab. Software is to learn about the different component of a microwave oven, how they work together, and how to design and programming to a microcontroller to control them. By completing the project, I gained a hands-on experience with the following: PIC16F877 microcontroller programming, Picsimlab software. In the programming part, I learned embedded C. Basic programming and implementing learned before the developing microwave oven. Embedded C. In embedded C, I learned conditional constructor, operators, array, pointers, functions, string storage classes, and preprocessor directives. These topics are related to microwave oven. To develop a microwave oven, after completing the programming part, embedded system, we jump to the embedded system and microcontroller, keypad introduction and tactile interface, level detection program of tactile level and edge detection program of tactile keys. Tactile key are digital keypad, interrupts basic concept. We clear interrupt source, classification handling, timer basic concepts, and many more. We program a program to buzzer and fan. Tactile switch bouncing effect. When a switch is toggled, contacts have a physical move from position to another as component of a switch settle into their new positions. They mechanically bounce quite casually. The underlying circuit could be opened and closed several times. Interrupts. We learn interrupts, and interrupts is a signal in a process emitted by a hardware or software indicating an event that needs immediate attention. Whenever an interrupts occur, a microcontroller completes the execution of a current instruction and start a execution of an interrupt serving routine. We call a ISR or interrupts handler. ISR tells the processor or control what to do when the interrupts occurs. The interrupts can be either a hardware or software. CLCD. We need a CLCD to display information of a microwave oven. So CLCD is crystal liquid character liquid crystal display. I'm sorry, character liquid crystal display. In a Picsimlab, there are two types of displays: 16 by 4 display and 16 by 2 display. We work on a 16 by 4 display. It display the ASCII character and some special character. There are two types of communication mode, like 4-bit mode and 8-bit mode. Matrix keypad. Matrix keypad perform a very specific task, and it is very useful to select a modes. Matrix keypad is a very useful and use friendly when we want to design certain application like a calculator, telephone, etc. Matrix keypad is made by arranging push button switches in rows and columns. Just imagine if you want to interface a 4 by 4 like a 16 keys matrix keypad with a microcontroller. In the straightforward way, you will need a 16 pins of a microcontroller for that, but by using a simple technique, we can reduce it to 8 pins in a matrix keypad switches and connected in a specific manner as shown in the figure below. So matrix keypad is completed. So now timer. Timer is very useful for to, to implementing a microwave oven. A timer is a specialized type of clock which is used to measure a timer intervals. It has a three modes like PWM or pulse generator, counter, PW and PPP measurement, tick up count and down count, quantum system clock setting, scaling, pre and post scaling, resolution, registered width. Powering on microwave oven. Our first program is powering on microwave oven. Let's move on the simulation parts. This is our microcontroller boards, PIC16F877A. I reset this. So now this screen is power on microwave oven, and this one is matrix keypad. So now it is work on a 20 megahertz frequency, and we choose a 16 by 4 crystal display. So now I click on the gray micro mode. This is our micro mode. We enter a time like 14 seconds and 21 minutes, and we use a hash key to enter run a time. Now our fan is starting and time decreasing continuously. It is a three options like start and resume, pause and stop. We press a four number key to start and resume. So we I paused it. So I press a key number 5. Now see microwave is paused. So I resume it. So I press a key number 4. Now microwave is resumed, and I increase a time like a 30 second. So I again press a 4 key. Now 30 seconds are add in this time. So now I stop it. I press a key number 6. Yes, this is our menu display. Now second one is grill mode. We press a key number 2. I enter the time 12 second and 36 minutes. Now press a hash key. So now this is works. It is same as a micro mode. 4 key number 4 is to increasing a time 30 seconds. Now let's see. 30 seconds increase continuously. Now key number 5 is work pause. So I pause that. So that is pause. And again I resume it. So I press a key number 4. And to stop a microwave oven, I press stop key number 6 to stop. That is stop. Third one is conventional mode. So I press key number third. We enter a temperature. Now temperature is not greater than 180 degrees. So I entered a 100-degree temperature. I entered. Now microwave oven taking a time like a preheating. So it takes 180 seconds preheating. After over the preheating, this screen is jumped to the time display. So now wait 90 seconds. Three, two, one. Our screen is jumping to the set time screen. So I set the time 14 second and 20 minutes. Now press a hash key. We use a star key because I entered a wrong time. So I press a star key. Now my minutes are clear. So I entered 22. I need a 22 minutes and 40 seconds. So I entered and then I press a hash key. So our time is decreasing continuously. It is same as a grill mode and micro mode. Our fan is on. So key number 4 is to increase our time 30 seconds. Let's see. Our time is increased 30 seconds. Key number 5 is work as a pause. So I pause microwave oven. So this is pause. And then I resume it. So I press a key number 4 and I stop. So I press a key number 6 to stop. The display will go jump to the menu. Let's show the key number 4 start mode. So this is our start mode. It is used to heat a coffee. So now it is work as the same three modes. I press a key number 4 to increase the time. Now our second is increasing and key number 5 is pause. So I pause it. Then I resume it. I resume it. Key number 6 is to stop. So this is our project I implementing during the internship. This is our microcontroller boards and overall. Let's see the buzzer sound. Let's see the buzzer sounds. I choose a start mode. Wait 25 seconds. Now time is over. The buzzer is on. The time is remaining 5 seconds. So this is our project implementation during the internship. So now the last one is workshop. This is a workshop. During the internship, a workshop organized on a development of a soft skills according to the trends of industry. Into the workshop, I learn about availability of jobs in industries and how to prepare for that. How masters skills and resume building according to our capabilities. This will help me maintain stability into the industry. I hope Emergee will bring more opportunity like this. Thank you very much, Emergee. Thank you, Emergee, to offer me this amazing internship opportunity and level learning. I have done in a microwave oven design and programming using Picsimlab. Into the duration of completing this project, I have learned a lot by solving bugs and errors. Special thanks to our mentors, Mr. Jay Kumar Sir, Sneha ma'am, and Rajni Shinde ma'am, to teach and guide us with a lot of industrial knowledge and giving us a right path to achieve our future goals.